my greenhouse. It was my present last year, a birthday present actually. It's not ready yet, but I will show. I have a lot of tomatoes here, and you can come closer. Here is first one, do you see? Here is, and here is also cabbage, and cucumber, little one, and I have paprika, Twistialis, present for my Spanish friend Maria, olive tree, and that I don't know in English. So this is my lovely little greenhouse, and I love to spend time here. I really love. Now I'm preparing ground, but it's really dry as usual, and I will put those strawberries. Do you see? Yeah, we'll see. I do first time, and now we are following it's my new project. Do you see? This is my new project. We took wood and we burn it. I am growing this cabbage first time. I don't have no idea how it will be, but it looks nice actually. Zucchini didn't like that it's too cold, so I am taking them to the greenhouse. Back to the greenhouse, and I hope it will survive. It was in the living room before, and started to plant, and now it's almost kaput. So let's go to the greenhouse. Here, just to see. I really hope that it will survive, because it was so beautiful before when I put this outside. But we have in the nights maybe plus 6 or 7, and those plants likes more warmer. I like to spend time in the garden because it gives so much peace and joy, and I just forget all time. So it's like therapy for me. So I hope it will survive. Yeah. The apple trees, it smells gorgeous. It's like, and it's only 3 years old. You know, we have really dry here, and then we found those bags we can fill with water. So this is really smart.
Good morning for everybody.
Good morning.
Now, Ethel, what have you done?
I'm gonna explain first where we are now. We are in the meditation church in Härnösand. You see, it was a church before, but then one guy who is really spiritual, he bought this church and renovated so that it would be a really nice place for all spiritual activities like yoga classes, meditation, retreats, everything that has done with spirituality. So really awesome place. And
Today
it was my very first yoga class for the beginners.
and you got paid.
Yeah.
It's first time to get paid.
Yes, I made one beginner yoga course that contains 4 yoga classes, and today was the very first yoga class.
And you will see what she did. You will see now.
Här kanske känner du stretch nu bakom vaden. Och känner hur ryggen måste jobba lite för att fingertopparna fram, eller längre fram, ännu längre. Kan kika ibland tillbaks för att kolla om bakre handen är i axelhöjd. Och andas. Trycker sig fram. Och härifrån kan vi ta ner yogablock, eller vi kan vika dem åt sidan. Ta upp tårna, rullar upp tårna. Trycker.
But can you tell me what was the scariest part? To be in front of other people and teach them, and what has been the most, what was the most beneficial part?
The scariest part maybe was when I had my very first lecture, open class to everybody, and I had to do this in English, and it had to be 1 hour. It was my examination work for yoga school. And it was very first time I had to teach a bunch of grown-up people, and that was the thing. What that was scary for me was that they are also checking all the time how I am as a teacher, and I thought, am I enough? Am I explaining things enough well? Am I explaining things too boringly so that they get tired, or if I'm doing too advanced things that are too much for these people? So the scariest thing was that I didn't know how other people feel what I'm doing. And the most beneficial thing is when, after all these lectures I have given, yet it was my 5th lecture today to give to people, after every time I have gotten so good feedback. I don't expect that people come to me and say something that, oh, it was so good. I don't expect that. But after every 5 lessons I have given, they come to me and say that it was really, really good.
Yeah, and you know why? Because you are explaining so clearly, really clearly, and then we have to do a couple times. You are very calm, and you know what you are doing. You are really good.
Thank you.
I don't like yoga so much, really, but I'm enjoying your classes. So,
Thank you.
we are Laila, do you see?
We match.
We match, even our pants matches, but we didn't decide, you know. I came like this, I'm like Ethel. So I wish good luck
Thank you.
with all yoga classes, and you are really good.
Thank you.
summer in north of Sweden.
Except I'm freezing. The wind is cold, so I had to take off my bikini, and it's on the dry here. Soon I can also sunbathe again.
But water was maybe 11.
No, it was 12 and a half.
Oh, 12 and a half. Okay, and then now it's not winter swimming, now it's summer swimming.
Yeah.
But we are continuing making our videos.
During this summer you will see a bunch of videos where me and Liina are traveling around in different places. Summer is travel time to enjoy life some other way. Every season has its own charm and pain. On our next week